Hi everyone, welcome back to the Spring Boot tutorial series with me, Benny Sartono. In the previous video, we successfully built a CRUD REST API using Spring Boot and JPA. Now, in this video, we're going to make our API more robust, more realistic, and more production-like by adding input validation and error handling. This is something that real backend systems always have, because without validation, users can send anything, and that will create data errors. Spring Boot already supports validation, but we need to make sure we have the validation starter. We already added it in video 1, so we're good. Just a reminder, the dependency is Spring Boot starter validation. Now let's go back to our user entity and add validation rules. Let's say name must not be empty and email must be a valid email format. Add the following annotations. At not blank, message equals name is required. Private string name. At email, message equals email format is invalid. Private string email. So now, if someone tries to create a user without name or with a broken email, Spring Boot will detect it automatically before saving to database. Now we add @valid to the controller method so Spring knows to enforce validation. That one keyword @valid activates all the constraints we added earlier. Try sending an invalid request. You'll see that instead of saving a broken user, Spring will return a readable error response. To make the error message more user-friendly, we can add a global exception handler. Create a new class. Here is the code inside it. Now instead of seeing a long stack trace JSON, the user will get a clean map of which field failed and why. Just like modern API services such as GitHub, Stripe, etc. Let's test it. Send this message using curl name with blank value. Email, note email. Now you'll see a proper JSON response like name is required, email format is invalid. That's much cleaner, more professional, and much more useful for front-end teams. So in this video we learned how to use @notBlank and @email, how to activate validation using @valid, how to use restcontrolleradvice for custom error responses. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.